Alright, my people, so right now, back from Jamaica, back in a Cayman. Yeah, so I start a unit here in the morning, yeah. Yeah, so it's a 2-bedroom. Yeah, so them tile are some 30 by 30. Yeah. And see when once you do, tell him say, long time I tell him say I'm free at Jamaica, you know. Yeah, so. Anytime I go back to Jamaica, I want to carry him. If I even time up in a suitcase, I go time up and put him in there. I'm saying free that yard, I don't want to go back here. Yeah, so. As I say, it's a 2-bedroom. Yeah, 1 bathroom. So, you know. Nice size bedroom them still. So this is how the bedroom look like. Yeah, so this is the other bedroom. So tile upon tile. So what we'll do, paint the floor with Prim Grip. You know, so when this dry, you know, this paint from yesterday, like what tile upon tile we get it a day. So we paint it yesterday. Make it dry in. Yeah, so this here. As you can see this coast like when you rough cast place. That's how the thing set wall. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. Yeah. So, as I say, make a start. Yeah, so we'll catch out. So what we do with this now, we scale it out. I get a full tile of the doorway out there, so because I hold the place it really perfect, you know. Get a starting line, scale it out and go to start. What we're going to end up with down there, so we're going to end up with each corner. Yeah. So this is how we do right now. So this is how we starting point. Yeah, this is how we starting point, so. Yeah, see if we can go down the line, they turn in one of them bedroom there, you know. Yeah, so we have to scale it out to make it work out easier for we. Yeah. So we have to know if we work we in and out. As I said, the kitchen area now. So what the kitchen area look like. So everything pack up around here, so. So this is the last place I could do. We'll tile out up this, grout up. Move over, move over. The washing machine there in a corner there, so that's the next thing. I forgot to take out and we're getting in there, so you know when work can run. Yeah. So we have to just do the best possible way. Line up work yourself in and out. Yeah, so that's how we're doing. So as I said, this is how we start. Yeah. Remember to like, share and subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section. Yes, my people, like up the video, share the video. Yeah. So alright my people, so this is how we're reaching in the morning, yeah. So we'll do kind of close off out here so one wait. Yeah. So we have the pieces them to drop in here, so. See them there. So right now, Punsi do go and cut them out. Yeah, some nice 30 by 30 on the floor. You know. So we have all of them little pieces. Yeah, so down the line here, so now, what we are going to do with it now, that we have to get them pieces grow out, and then everything we can do so we can move over, we have to move here, yeah, so. That's what we can get the paint on this evening when we are left, you know, that's what we can get to dry. You know, if I like the concrete, it'll go on. I dry fast, but what tile on top of tile, you know, want it to dry good. So I have to just paint it overnight. So yeah. So I'll get to the bathroom. Eh? As you can see, I already run down this here, so can't turn into the bedroom there. Yeah. So here, so basically finished right now, just a few pieces now for drop out here, so. Yeah, so I'm going to cut them out, so I drop out this at the same time. Just finish up here, so. You know, then we can tackle the next bedroom. So look up on the closet right now. Yeah, this is the next little piece to drop in. So you know, once you drop in them two little pieces there. So yeah, drop in this. Yeah, we can get in as a grow up. Yeah, so I'm going to consider one of the cuttings them, cut off, you know. Yes, my people, so this is how we did so far, you know. Yes, as I said now, here's how I'm going to tackle right now, after I drop out them few pieces there. Yeah, so, you know, we have no way. Yeah, just try to get the floor over and done with. Then we tackle the wall, we have the wall to deal with. Yeah, so the wall is just over the shower. Yeah, just over the shower, so. Yeah. So see now. All heap of things are going on. Yeah, some growth are going on nice meanwhile. So, no throw on a corner, so I'll drop out them tile. So as I said, the plan is to finish up in and so. Drop out all of the pieces, then you know, get it growth up. Then move over, we can move over. Yes, that's how I do it now. That's the plan. So. Yeah, so as you know, we want to clear out the part there. Get it paint. Yeah, so you know, so growth up. No wipe off as yet. Yeah, but you know, grow up on the floor. So you know, so just to wipe off. So you know, so now, as I said, the bedroom I'm going to tackle right now. Yeah. So once I go mark out in the bathroom and cut out it. Once I cut out now, you can just chop in. Yeah, so as I say, start lay some tile around here, so let's see if I can take out the bedroom here.
There are two pieces of tile on the piece. Right, there's two.
So as I said, this is how Punsi are doing, so right now, my line up.
Two little pieces of tile.
Please.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go cook it. So we do right and we'll grow it up in a so we'll try to make some move over. No box on we can put them pan. Put them pan paper man. Yeah, so I can say everything grow up. Yeah. Just something. Remember say I will grow this.
Right.
Yourself space man. Put you in this.
And I go and grow with this and that's why I said put your front.
Yeah, so we are right and over. Make some little move over. That's what can get down this one for paint on, you know. Yeah, that's what can turn there and dry it tomorrow. So as I'm saying, it's a grow up. So this is how we're doing now. Clear out everything we can clear out. That's what can get this up a roll. Yeah, so floor sweet and nice. Yeah, really nice to grow up ceiling. Some nice 30 by 30. Yeah, so as you can see the people, as I say, I will put up some baseboard out the whole place. Yeah. So them area grow up as I say. You know. Yeah, we're down in the bedroom there. We're running at the bathroom too. Yes, my people, so right now, we had some growth in on the baseboard. Yeah, as I see how this place done, we have to work and move back stuff. So, the bedroom them kind of clear one way, but you know the living area where most likely everything pop up in. So, yeah, floor nice and sweet as I say. Get some growth in on the baseboard. Yeah, so we'll do the water so right now. Yeah, we'll go and see if we can drop over to water so. Yeah, so we can lock this to go in at the kitchen. You know, to the doorway and at the hardest part. Yeah, that's the last thing. Then we'll drop the doorway and we have to just decide so we're going to lift out of this place. Can't come back in here. Yeah, so. Yeah. So we'll try to lock up here so that we can go through. So I was gonna say we'll try to see if we can get here some lock up. You know, punch like one cut out in the meanwhile. So once you drop in this now, You know, see I turn right in my kitchen and get this up. Drop out if you drop out. We'll walk up in my kitchen. Yeah, so this is where I'm going right now. As I can see now, so every little thing pack up back in so. Yeah, so it has to grow up. Let a little wipe off. Not really clean up yet, but you know. Yeah. The baseboard not going in so yet neither. So we just have to take our time and go through. We have to just do it step by step as all the place set up. Yeah. Down this one, as Mr. Cheese, I'm going to roll up them baseboard and wipe them off. We're done in this already. Alright, my peeps, alright, and on the floor done and grout up and everything. Yeah, over through. Eat a clean up. So as I can see, all of the baseboard them on. Yeah, so as you see, I some 30 by 30 on the floor. So, tile baseboard. Yeah, so that little part that we just grout it, so no wipe off as it. So this is another closet. Yeah, so this is one of the bedroom. So the door trim, I'm going to change the trim them, so different trim I'm going to use on it. So yeah, this is the other bedroom. So as I say, everything grown up. Yeah, there are some blinds if you put up. Yeah, so tile baseboard right through the place. Yeah, this is another bathroom. So plumber working on the bathroom, you know. I will put up in toilet and thing. Yeah, so how it has to know. You know, we have to move over things from the kitchen area. So all our we pack up in the kitchen now, we just move over back. Yeah, so that's why so kind of so chucky right now. Yeah, but yeah, so into the kitchen area. So I was gonna say everything baseboard right through. Yeah, so this is the front door, so yeah. my people, so as Mr. Feel nice and sweet and everything grow up, you know. So as Mr. Baseboard right through, but you know this section and everything kind of pack up back in, so there's a situation where if I tile and move, so yeah. Yes, a nice style baseboard right through the place. Yes, my people, remember to like, share and subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section. Yeah, reason with me tell me what I think about the job. So I'm gonna say everything done and grow up, you know. You know, we give the place a clean up, so you know. Yeah.